Excuse me, hi, can you help me? Excuse me, hi, can you help me?
Imagine you are in a new city, and suddenly you need to find the hospital. What do? Let's see how Arjun asks for directions from Maya.
سلامونه او وخت مو په خیر. لکه څنګه چې تاسو وکتل په دې ویډیو کې زموږ خپل غږ نشته، یعنی موږ پکې پښتو نه ده کارولې. دا ستاسو لپاره ځکه موږ غواړو چې تاسو د نیټیو سپیکرانو هغه کسان چې انګلیش د هغوی خپل زبان دی د هغوی خبرې تاسو واورئ چې هغوی څه رقم انګلیش وایي، نو تاسو به د هغوی نه ډیر څه زده کوئ. د هغوی لهجه به تاسو وګورئ چې هغوی څنګه په انګلیش کې خبرې کوي. په دې ویډیو کې ارجن او مایا له یو بل سره خبرې کوي. ارجن لار ورکه کړې، د هسپتال پوښتنه کوي د ډاکټرانو په اړه او داسې نور، او مایا یې په اړه باندې ځوابونه ورکوي. نو د دې ویډیو نه به تاسو ډیر څه زده کوئ. تر اخره له موږ سره پاتې شئ او راځئ چې ویډیو په ګډه باندې وګورو.
Excuse me, hi, can you help me? Excuse me, hi, can you help me?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. What happened? What happened? You look worried. You look worried.
I need to find the hospital. I need to find the hospital. My friend is not feeling well. My friend is not feeling well. Can you tell me the way, please? Can you tell me the way, please?
Don't worry. Don't worry. The hospital is very close. The hospital is very close. Go straight down this road. Go straight down this road. Then turn left at the traffic lights. Then turn left at the traffic lights. You will see a big white building. You will see a big white building. That is the hospital. That is the hospital.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Are there good doctors there? Are there good doctors there?
Yes, the doctors are very kind and helpful. Yes, the doctors are very kind and helpful. There is also an emergency room, a pharmacy, and even a small cafe inside. There is also an emergency room, a pharmacy, and even a small cafe inside.
Wow, that's great. Wow, that's great. Which doctor do you recommend? Which doctor do you recommend?
Dr. James is one of the best. Dr. James is one of the best. He is very friendly and takes good care of patients. He is very friendly and takes good care of patients.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help. Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I hope your friend feels better soon. I hope your friend feels better soon. Remember, asking for help is always the best choice when you are lost. Remember, asking for help is always the best choice when you are lost.